Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions and network access so nothing blocks creation. Open Kibana, sign in, and go straight to stack management. Once there, choose index patterns under data views. You're creating the mapping reference Kibana uses. You'll point to an index or index pattern like logs asterisk and select the primary time field if present. Make sure to review field types quickly. Mistyped fields cause search surprises later. Now click Create and prepare for field refreshes. Once the index pattern exists, refresh fields to import mappings from Elasticsearch. This sync is crucial so Kibana understands data types. If a field appears as text but should be keyword, correct mapping in Elasticsearch or add a runtime field here. You can also add scripted or runtime fields for derived values. Use painless scripts sparingly. Make sure to save changes and preview Discover to confirm searches, return expected documents. If performance lags, limit wildcard patterns. Finish by validating. Run queries in Discover, save a search, then build a quick visualization to ensure aggregations work. Once done, add the index pattern to dashboards and set refresh intervals for near real-time data. If you see missing fields or incorrect types, reindex with corrected mappings or update runtime fields, then refresh the index pattern. One key troubleshooting tip: if Discover returns no documents, confirm index exists in Elasticsearch. Check time range and run a direct Elasticsearch search to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.